When Volunteer Energy Cooperative began plans to build a new centralized facility, they contracted Mal Corporation for the design and build of the new control center. Using Mal's Allegiance design program, Mal began a 2-level design process to explore the best room layout and technology for the space. What factors led you to the design and build of the new control center?
Well, it was the vision of our president and CEO, Roddy Blevins, to have a facility that would centralize all of our operation and bring it in to one location where we could manage our resources better and be able to react to outages much better, much quicker, more efficiently.
Our old operating center basically was just like an answering service. We started out using an outside answering service, then we came in and used the in-house people to answer the phone after hours. I guess we didn't have as much information all at one place like we do now, but when we built the new facility, we was able to incorporate all of the tools into one area.
Well, we were trying to coordinate all of our dispatch into one location. With our spread out territory, we were trying to do dispatching through our 8 or 9 offices, and we just didn't have the coordination that we needed, so we consolidated that onto one location.
What factors led to the use of Mal's Allegiance design services?
We wanted to make sure that we were real budgetary in our thinking. We didn't want to get out there into something that was too expensive. We wanted to be realistic, and so we needed to learn enough about video walls to understand exactly where we needed to be, and from a budgetary standpoint, and also from layouts and those kind of things. We kind of knew basically what we wanted to do, but we needed to learn so that we could apply some kind of a strategy to be able to put to paper what we wanted. We got fortunate enough to find out about Mal's Allegiant design process. We looked at it closely and decided that would be an excellent way to make sure that we were able to develop a specification that we could go to the marketplace with, and through that process found somebody that we could work with and that would listen to us and understand what we wanted to do. So we really valued the Allegiant process, and we were able to develop a specification and a resulting request for proposal.
Of course, we decided early on that we were going to design the dispatch center and then construct a building with that in mind, so that helped us with our design and size and those type of things. So we did that looking currently what we need and what we thought we'd need in the future. So it's worked out real well for us.
After the final Allegiance design had been approved, Mal was then selected for the build and supply of the new space. The control center included a video display wall comprised of a 3x4 matrix of 67-inch projection cubes and a console system able to support up to 4 operator positions. What was your experience working with Mal?
Mal's response throughout the design process of the building, their interaction with our architect, it could not have gone any better. Really, we designed our building around the wall, and even Mal working with our general contractor that we awarded our construction to, it was just all a really good experience, and I felt like Mal was the common denominator there as we made sure that our largest investment in the building was taken care of.
Well, we've worked with a lot of companies over the years, different engineering companies, construction companies, and like I said, I think Mal from the engineering, all the way from engineering through the construction, did a good job and have a good finished product, and we've just been very happy with it all the way around.
In the end, Mal enabled VEC to manage all of their assets for 9 offices from one centralized location.